Working with function notation, we'll evaluate functions, graphs of functions, we'll add and subtract functions. Evaluating functions. Given f of x is equal to negative 2x plus 7, find f of 3. So remember, when you're working with function notation, f of x is equal to y. So f of 3 is equal to negative 2 times 3 plus 7. Negative 6 plus 7. So f of 3 is equal to 1. So the y is 1 when x is 3. For the function f of x equals 3x plus 8, find the value of x so that f of x is equal to negative 7. Working with function notation, remember that f of x is equal to y. So they gave us the y is negative 7. So negative 7 is equal to 3x plus 8. So x is equal to negative 5. So f of negative 5 is equal to negative 7. Oops. Graphs of functions. Find f of 2. So remember, f of x is equal to y. So we're trying to find y. They gave us x. So when x is 2, what is y? 3. F of 2 is equal to 3. If f of x is equal to negative 1, find x. So remember, f of x is equal to y. So they gave us the y, negative 1. So x is negative 2. So f of negative 2 is equal to negative 1. Let's add functions. Given the linear function f of x equals 5x minus 1 and g of x equals negative 2x plus 9, find h of x equals, which equals f of x plus g of x. So f of x, which is 5x minus 1, plus g of x, which is negative 2x plus 9. So we just have to combine the functions. We're just adding them. So h of x is equal to 5x minus 1 minus 2x plus 9. So we're just combining like terms. 3x plus 8. H of x is equal to 3x plus 8. Okay, we'll add some more. Given the linear functions, f of x is equal to negative 4x minus 3 and g of x is equal to negative 2x plus 10, find h of x equal to f of x plus g of x. Oops, wrong color. G of x. So we're just, again, adding the two functions together. H of x is equal to negative 4x minus 3 minus 2x plus 10, which is minus 6x plus 7. H of x is equal to minus 6x plus 7. All right, let's subtract functions. Given the linear functions, f of x equals 9x plus 4 and g of x equals 3x minus 3, find j of x, which is f of x minus g of x. So j of x equals f of x, which is 9x plus 4. Now we're subtracting 3x minus 3, so it's minus the quantity 3x minus 3. 9x plus 4 minus 3x plus 3. 6x plus 7. J of x is equal to 6x plus 7. Final example here. Given the linear function f of x equals negative 7x minus 7 and g of x equals 2x minus 2, find j of x, which is f of x minus g of x. So j of x equals negative 7x minus 7 minus g of x, so minus the quantity 2x minus 2. So minus 7x minus 7 minus 2x plus 2. 9 minus 9x minus 5 is j of x.